What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk to you about retail arbitrage. First off, what is it? Second thing, I'm going to show you step by step how to do retail arbitrage in your area and make $1,000 or more per month. It's actually very simple, okay? And I'm going to show you the tools that I use to do this exact same thing. I've been teaching people exactly how to do this over on Amazon. Now today I want to show you how to do it over on eBay. It's very simple. So first, what is retail arbitrage? Retail arbitrage is pretty much where you buy a product from a retail store, you pay retail price for it, and then you go and sell it somewhere else for higher price. Okay, you make up the difference. You make some money there. You make up the profit, all right? And it's so simple. Now, I'm gonna show you the software that I use in just a second, but let me kind of walk you through it, all right? So, this is the software right here. It's called Tactical Arbitrage. Now this software, it's like $100 a month software. However, there is a link down below. It can get you access to the software for like 14 days for $1. Now don't go anywhere yet just because I said it's like $100 software, because that $1 you can turn that into hundreds very quickly. Here is how you do it. Now, Tactical Arbitrage allows you to search a huge database of just a bunch of different stores. Okay, you can I'm just going to go through them really quick. But there's like 511 Tactical, there's allposters.com, bettymills.com, there was Best Buy, Deal News. Anyway, so I and for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Target. Here's what you do. Go to target.com, and again, for the sake of this video, because I like it, I'm going to do toys. Click on toys, and then you click shop all toys. There's a number up here. What this number right here allows us to do, go ahead and copy that. It allows Tactical Arbitrage to search over 16,000 different products. Come over here, and we paste that into the category. You can see I already have it there, and you can add filters. I do this for my Amazon FBA business. However, you don't need to. You add your filters here, and then you click search. What happens is it pulls up all the data, and it looks something like this. So this is something that I did earlier. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on in stock. I don't want to show you stuff that's already in stock. So I come over here, and you can find all these items that are not in stock. Okay, pretty cool. So like for example, this one right here, $9.99, and it sells on Amazon for $29.89. which gives us a profit over on Amazon of $10. Well, that exact same item right here it is, the Little Woodsies Furniture Kids Room Bunk Beds, $9.99. It's temporarily out of stock on Target, and you can see it's not anywhere near me. So you keep going. So anyway, I can't buy this. However, you could probably find it. Now, over on eBay, that exact same item that was $9.99 is selling for, here's that's a different one, sold for $24. That's a different one, not the same one. Here's one that sold for $29.99 on July 23rd, so about 8 days ago. Okay, so $29.99, you bought it for $9.99. You probably make, after shipping, $7-8. Okay, not bad. Okay, let me show you another one. Again, stuff that you find from Tactical Arbitrage. Okay, and you just go and search it and look and stuff. And here's another one I want to show you. This one right here, it's a Pop Disney Incredibles 2 Fire Jack. It's exclusive to Target, I believe. Yeah, only at Target. $8.99. Again, I don't have it near me, but you might. Okay, and if you look on Amazon, this thing that costs $8.99 is selling for $32, sold July 28th, a few days ago. This one pre-owned sold for $23.50 July 27th. This one sold for $33 after you add in shipping July 25th. This one sold for $39.75 on July 24th. You get the idea. You get the picture. It's so simple. Okay, let me show you another one. Here's a Barbie Glam Getaway House. All right, $34.99. Okay, it's in stock. Okay, I can go and buy this one. Cool, it tells me the aisle. How perfect is that? Now, here's what I want to show you. Okay, you can see right here, this is the exact item you're getting. fully furnished, 3 rooms, 20 plus pieces, 2.5 feet wide. If you go look over on eBay, all I did is I came up to advanced. Okay, I'll show you really quick. Advanced, put in the thing exactly how it was on Target, the title right here, just copied and pasted right there, click sold listings. So when I search it, what happens is it shows me all the sold listings. Now this one looks like it's from 2004. That might not be the same one. This one right here, fully furnished. Okay, looks like 3 rooms, 20 plus pieces, 2.5 feet wide, $79.80. Okay, with free shipping. Let's find another new one. Right here, looks like the same one. Sold on July 21st. This with furniture, gift new. I'm not sure what that comes with, but this one sold for $146.60. This one sold for $38.99. Not a good deal, obviously. $118. So it really just depends, but you get the idea. It's all I'm doing is using tactical arbitrage, using this software right here, and going and finding these different products that I can sell on eBay. Okay, it's that simple. That's how retail arbitrage is supposed to be. You buy it from one store, and I absolutely love Target, Walmart. I love Costco. I used to love Kmart and Toys R Us, but obviously a lot of those are gone. I still like Sears. Marshall's is still good. Ross can be okay. You just gotta go find those items and go and buy it. But what I love is that tactical arbitrage is an awesome software that allows us to see things before even going to the store. It searches the entire database so that we don't have to. All right, so hopefully this video kind of helped you out and gave you a better idea of what retail arbitrage is, how you can make money with retail arbitrage, how you can make over $1,000 every single month doing something that is so easy. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.